Today we are in De Brucker, Belgium. So I guess right now it's dinner time. It's dark. It's going to be dark soon. So I guess we have to have our dinner. Maybe where would you prefer to have dinner? Maybe in some restaurant, maybe some home cooked, homely food. But have you ever heard of dinner in the sky? So look at this. So this is dinner in the sky. So it's like literally will take off after a few minutes, after all the seats are filled up. It will go up and you're gonna have the dinner in the sky. Wow, it's so beautiful. I really want to see it take off.
Enjoy cocktail in the sky with a fantastic range of food in the 50 meters of height. Yes, dinner in the sky is the right choice. They are organizing such event in entire world. So far, they have done with the 64 countries. Right now, we are experiencing this in Brussels. Uh, Total around 32 seats are there, so we can book around of 2, 2, 4, 8 in such a way. And the renowned chefs in Brussels, they come and they serve for those people who is going to enjoy this kind of food festival. It's a wonderful experience.
So as you can see, I have my backpack because I've come from school right now. It's Friday night. Hello, I'm an angel now. So they have wings away. So cute.
All 32 guests arrived. Now crew members preparing for the flight. So they are taking all kind of measurement and what are the things they have to do and don'ts. So they are preparing all these things. So in any moment it will start.
In any moment they will pull that the complete dyne system through the crane, so we are waiting for that. I'll put some into this description box that how much cost and all those things. It's going to start. Wow, it's going to start. Look at the theme music.
Welcome in a world from the high culinary experience. A Belgium story that started in 2006. 126 star chefs prosperous across 5 continents. From Belgium to Brazil. From Brazil to Hong Kong, Dubai, Philippines, China, Malaysia, Canada, Georgia, Qatar, India, and many more. Dinner in the Sky already welcomes guests in more than 64 countries around the world. But now, you are the stars. You will be part of this experience. Dear guests, fasten your seatbelts. Are you ready? I said, are you ready?
Yes! Whoa, whoa.
8,
Wow!
7,
It's almost maybe 20-30 meters
Dear
high.
guests, welcome on board to your Dinner in the Sky experience.
Oh,
There are some safety
All people are
regulations
hanging,
you
it
need to be
seems.
aware of. This is a non-smoking flight. We kindly ask you to store your personal items in a safe place and not too close to the table edge. Please refrain from adjusting your safety seatbelt at all times. It is strictly prohibited to drop things down from the table. If you feel unwell or uncomfortable on board, please let one of our crew members know immediately so that we can assist you. Thank you for your attention. Dinner in the Sky.
it's almost 30 meters now. They are going up. Now almost 50 meters high. Maybe. I don't know exactly height of that, so maybe 50 to 80 meters high. That's a quite experience. So the funny part is that if they drop spoons or some food, that will come 50 meters down. Wow, that's a fantastic experience.
Hope all 32 guests are having now excellent experience. They are enjoying the weather, they are enjoying the event.
Just lifted up.
So let them enjoy.
It was so good.
See you soon. Bye.